You don't need to wait for months before you can start making money from this airdrop. You can start now and start making money from it now. The name of this airdrop is EFSANE Network, and in this video I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to register on this particular airdrop and how you can participate in it. I'm going to show everything. So without wasting much of your time, let me go to my phone screen now and show you guys step by step on how to do it.
I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this YouTube video or in my bio if you're watching this on TikTok. So after you tap on the link, it's going to take you to this particular place. So make sure to tap on this place, then search for your country code. So make sure to select your country code. After selecting your country code, so if you're in Nigeria, if you want to like input your phone number, don't add the first zero. So my number starts from 091, so I'm going to start from 91. So input your phone number without adding the first zero. So once you input your phone number correctly, so this particular place send verification code here. So make sure to tap on it. They'll send verification code to the number you input here, then enter the code here. So make sure to enter the code here. So after you enter the code here, this invitation code here, I'm going to write it on the screen. So make sure to put the invitation code. But if you tap the link from the description of this video or in my bio, the code will appear here automatically. But in this place, create password. Once you create password, confirm the password that you create, then you tap on register. So this is how to register. I'm not going to register a new account again because I have an account already. So I'm going to log into my account to show you guys more. So I just log into my account. So this is what you are going to be doing every day. So you see this particular personal center here. So make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you scroll up. You are going to tap on sign in, this particular sign in. So every day you sign in, you are going to be earning 400 gems. Every day you sign in, you can see the one I've been earning. You are going to be earning 400 gems every single day you sign in. So that is not all. You can see this particular place. If you go to invitation reward here, you can see once you copy your link and somebody register with your link, you are going to be earning 1000 gems per referral. So that is how to earn gems on this particular airdrop. So if you want to withdraw it, it's very simple. You go to this spot here. Once you go to this spot here, you are this place, you are going to select gems. Once you select gems, then this place you tap on USDT, then you convert your gems to USDT. After you convert it to USDT, then you can withdraw it to any exchange, whether Bybit, BitGet, and Binance, any exchange you have, you can now withdraw it to your exchange. So if you want to follow up on this particular project, if you are watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are watching this on Facebook or TikTok, make sure to follow this account so that if I keep dropping more updates concerning this particular airdrop, so that you can follow up and make more money. So this update is very fresh, so make sure to register immediately.